Alright, it's Tuesday, March 13th, 2012, and I'm out here on Bull Creek, and I'm going to try to do a little more delayed harvest fishing. Start off at this hole right here, and see what I can catch. I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my rig today. I'm fishing a 6.5 foot ultralight, spooled up with 4-pound test, and I'm using a little pumpkin fleck colored, I guess, tube, and then just a little strike indicator to keep it off the bottom. So far I've lost 2 trout off of it. I just haven't had really good hook sets with it, but I'll see if I can land any. So I'm hooked up with my first trout of the day. Looks like a rainbow. Yeah, that's a rainbow. Alright, I'm hooked up with my second trout of the day. Looks like a little brown trout. Well, I decided to change color on my little tube jig, my little crappie tube. I went with a darker green body and kind of a chartreuse tail because we had a lot of rain yesterday, so the water has a lot of color to it. I'm wondering if switching to a darker color might help me out at all. I'm hooked up with my third shot of the day. It looks like a decent sized rainbow. Well, he just came off. I changed my rig again. I'm using a little trout magnet. I'm not sure what color to call that, but that's what I just hooked that trout on. Oh, I'm hooked up again. This one's another rainbow trout. It's a pretty nice fish. Well, I'm hooked up again. Looks like another rainbow trout. Oh, no, never mind. This one's a brown trout. This is my 5th trout of the afternoon. I hooked into 2 more earlier, but they came off. I'm hooked up again to another rainbow. I hooked this one on a white trout magnet. I'm hooked up again, and this looks like a really, really nice rainbow trout. He's real colorful for some reason. That's a real nice fish. So I'm hooked up again here. Looks like it's another rainbow. Not a bad fish. Well, it's been a pretty good afternoon so far. I've been out for about 3.5 hours. I've landed, I think, 7 trout. Hooked about 4 more than that. I think I probably hooked about 10 or 11, but couldn't bring them in all the way. It's a really nice day outside. Sun's shining. It's like 60 degrees. The water is really nice here on Bull Creek in Allegheny County. I'm going to go take a little bit of a break, get some lunch, and hopefully some of my buddies are going to be coming up whenever they get done with work, so we'll see what happens when they get up here. I'm hooked up again. It looks like another rainbow trout. Yeah. I think that's fish number 9 on the day. I'm hooked up again. It looks like it might be another rainbow trout. Yeah, that's a rainbow. I caught those last 2 rainbow trout on a little green pumpkin colored crappie tube. Fishing this stretch of water now on Bull Creek, still the delayed harvest section. My buddy Rocco's up there. Had one come off up there. My buddy Tony's farther on upstream than that. Got probably another good hour of fishing time left, so we'll see if we can catch anything else.